So if you guys watched our earlier video today, I literally was talking about the NASDAQ market when it was barely beginning to show signs of an overall reversal. Now, the thing that I talked about, and please, I encourage you, watch today's earlier video. I talked about two things. So why did the market gap up today? It was because of the initial claims and continuing claims report. And surprisingly, this was one of the first times ever in the past 5 months that initial claims and continuing claims actually comes in higher than expected, meaning more people are actually filing for unemployment than what was expected. Now, why did I think that this wasn't going to hold, right? Well, because of what's happening tomorrow. Tomorrow's the non-farm payrolls, very significant report, and also the unemployment report. Also one, like literally two most important reports that are going to be released so far in the month of March. And then we have CPI data next week. I said in today's earlier video that it would not surprise me that although the market was in the green, that it ends up in the red. Did I expect it to be this dramatic? No. Can I predict the future? Heck no, right? I've said many times that I expect something to happen, but the market doesn't always do what I expect, right? We always have an opinion, and that's my job here on YouTube to share it. Today, it played out better than according to plan, right? Because I told you guys that I had a short position. I went into SQQQ, which is a bear short ETF on NASDAQ. I made $11,636, right? I left myself with my one lucky share, just so you can see I don't have any open position on TQQQ, nothing like that. Just my position that I had, and then I closed it. I'm still not certain, right? I expect tomorrow for the non-farm payrolls that it's going to come in way higher than the 205K that's expected. And I believe that the unemployment rate is going to come in lower than the 3.4% than what's expected. And I think that the market's going to sell off. So yes, I do think that SQQQ can continue to rise, right? I think NASDAQ right now on the technical side is going to retest that same support range at 290, but depending on how bad tomorrow is, will determine how much we sell off. Now, that's again, all just an opinion. And I mean, it speaks for itself in the sense that if you're asking the question, when did I lock in profits? I locked in profits at 38.10. If I knew that this thing was going to run up to nearly $40, then I would have held. I would have made an additional $15,000 on the day, right? But that wasn't the case. I can't predict the future. And just like you, right? I'm a not so perfect trader, but I learned from my mistakes, right? And this is the whole purpose of this video. I wanted to make sure that you guys understood that based off of what I've experienced before, I've seen many days like this where it's a small report that drives the market up, but the next day is a much more significant report, and then that gets factored in towards the end of the day, and ultimately that's what's going to determine market direction. And it was the pretty much same setup today, right? Initial claims, continuing claims, decent report, but not as big as non-farm payrolls and unemployment rate that's going to be released tomorrow. So I just wanted to share some input on what I think, right? And what led me to that decision. My trades were not perfect today. I closed out my position because I still do not know how the market's going to open, but all I know is that tomorrow, 1 hour before the market opens, the market is going to react either in a positive or negative way. It should not be a break-even day. Non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, all released before the market opens, 1 hour. And then we're going to be hosting our free live trading session. You guys killed it in our previous video. I wanted to thank you guys. So all you guys literally have to do is, if you want to be able to watch me trade live, to see my entries, to see my exits, but most importantly, hear my thought process. This is so you can get a taste of what the Learn Plan Profit Group gets to experience every single day. I'm going to link it down below. It's going to be a private, unlisted live trading session. And all you have to do is subscribe to the channel and get this video to over 2,000 likes. So tomorrow at market open, March 10th, literally right at market open, I will be hosting a free live trading session, and it's the first link in the description down below. If you have any questions, shoot me a direct message via Discord or via Instagram, and that's the second or fourth link in the description down below. Literally super simple. There's no reason on why you can't tune on in if you've ever wanted to watch me trade live. It should be a very interesting live trading session, especially because of that unemployment report and the non-farm payroll. So to everyone that's shorted the market today, congratulations. Hopefully you locked in profits. Hopefully there's more opportunity tomorrow. But this is the reason that I decided to sell my entire position, stay cash, and be prepared for tomorrow, because at the end of the day, no one ever knows which way the market's going to end up going, which is why I would rather stay cash and then wait for the market to react. So very excited to take on the market with you guys all tomorrow. Again, everything is linked in the description. I'll see you tomorrow at market open. Drop a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on your post notifications. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.